Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have a sweet Kawaii purchase to open. This is my monthly subscription that I get, and it is the Itty Bitty selection, I believe. Let me just make sure. I'm trying to not act like that was so hard to open, but it's so hard to open. And then I usually try to save these cute little stickers. And I save the envelope so I can repurpose it all. So I'm trying to be careful with all of it. But here we go. This is, oh, how cute. Oh my goodness. So her character, her like main characters are these little guys. They're so cute. I just love them. And you guys know that I love critters. So whenever they are the star of the show, that makes me happiest. And it looks like maybe for December, they are the star of the show. So this is the December kit. And I am not using them this year. What I'm doing is I'm putting them in my planner for next year, which I know probably sounds silly to some of you, but I like to have my planner ready, at least the monthly part ready. So I like it this way, which I know is silly, but this is the only one that I have to use this year to use it because it's made for this year. So this is the December 2019 calendar, and she always sends them a couple months early, so that's nice too. And then there's an extra little sheet here. Candy cane wishes, mistletoe kisses. That's cute. And then she has a little note on the back. And this has 7 sheets, and this is the December Itty Bitty. So this is the wacky holidays for December, which I think is always really fun. Noodle ring day, chocolate covered anything day, Christmas Eve, bacon day, candy cane day, ugly sweater day. Who knew? Date nut bread day. If it was a date and nut day, I'd have that covered. My husband is definitely a nut. Roof over your head day. I mean, just kind of funny. Bathtub party day. And look, she has both the little guys in there. It's just fun and cute and silly and all of that. And then here are the headers and the little boxes. And this says, make it a December to remember, hot chocolate weather, don't count the days, make the days count, holidays. That's super cute. I love the colors, the bright green and red. It's just really cute. Hello December, candy cane wishes, mistletoe kisses. I always want to say mistletoe dreams. Merry everything and happy always. Oh, what fun. Oh, these are super cute. And then the ornaments as the date stickers, and then all of the functional stickers. So these kits are good for a month. And here's the washi. And it's just, I mean, she has everything you need for a whole month of stickers if you want to use it that way. I'm choosing to use it a little bit differently, and I will show you guys how I'm using it when next year comes around. But I think that they are really cute. And this one, like I said, is the Itty Bitty kit. She has them in different sizes, so you can check that out and get whichever one works best for you. And then I get this kit, and then I also get a kit that is the regular size. And I plan on using both of them in my 2020 calendar. Well, and I'm doing more than one calendar next year, so that's going to be a different thing than I do right now. Well, that's not entirely true. I do 2 now. I do my regular one that you guys see, and then I also do one for work. But I'm adding another one for YouTube next year. So, yeah, that's that. So I hope that you guys like this. I hope that you guys check out Sweet Kawaii. She has wonderful stickers, and they are vinyl, so they are a little different from other stickers. You have to be careful which pen you use, but she gives you a warning, I think, with every purchase, and I think that I like them a lot. They are repositionable. They're just fabulous. So yeah, check them out. If you like vinyl stickers, you'll love her selection. And again, that's Sweet Kawaii. So take care. Bye-bye, guys. Stop.